Let's get it. Subscribe to the channel. Y'all settle down, settle down, settle down, settle down, settle down, settle down. Let me do this. Let me do this. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I go by the name of GODGOTHAM Game, and welcome back to the channel. The second channel. AMV, today we got your boy Ant Sandwich and your boy Delta Deez. Yes, sir. Been a while since I even heard from your boy Delta Deez, bro. I know I've been late, a little slacking, man, cause bro, I be at work, and once I get off from work, I be trying to take a shower. I want to probably hit the gym, work out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Getting them things back in. You see, dumbbells on deck. I got the dumbbells back, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get that back in. I just be working out, man, like trying to keep myself back in shape and stuff. So that's why I ain't been I'm all low when I'm gonna get back into it though, man. All that stuff, man, but you already know, man. And today we got that son of Paradis. Hand sandwich. You already know, man. You already know. I ain't got too much to say about how y'all day been. My day been doing swell, but you already know. Link over in the description below. Like, comment, subscribe. What I do, man. No more slogan, no more slogan, no more slogan. I ain't the greatest. I ain't the worst. I am. God, I gotta get to the video so he bars. Just the quality, dude. Turn this up. Get it. Let's hear it. Who that? That Delta right now?
We could have been brothers that want us to suffer. We live in the clipping it all way. And we ball like the mothers, we can't get another. This has been pulling it all straight. Take a hold of the hand that I'm offering. Spare a similar fate to our offspring. We've been living in hate for a long spring. Seen the visions you making at home. We could have been brothers.
Seeing the vision that hump me.
Want us to suffer, we live in the clipping it all way. And we ball like the mothers, we can't get another. This has been pulling it all straight. Take a hold of the hand that I'm offering. Spare a similar fate to our offspring. We've been living in hate for a long spring.
We've been living a hate for what?
Hold of the hand that I'm offering. Spare a similar fate.
Very similar fate to our
offspring. We've
been living a hate for our long spring. Yeah, they did. They did. I ain't gonna lie.
Been a hate for a long spring. Seen the visions you're making at home spring. I've seen
the vision that hunt me. You know, and they all see. It's a lot of stuff, man.
The hatred inside of your heart. I see you letting it tear you apart. I see him letting you rot in the dark. I see you venting it and heal the scars. Told me that you've been this way from the start. But brother, that's not true. This is not you. And I know that I'm late, but I got you. Because all of the shit that I got through. Yeah, it taught me what I taught you. You can tell me this shit what you thought through. At the end of it all, what it brought you. Yeah, why me to stop you? Yeah, cause you going off through. Yeah, the innocent dying. Your friends the collateral. Tell me you.
They sound good though together.
Want this you lying? We could have been brothers. We could have been brothers. They want us to suffer. We live in the clipping it all way. And we bond as mothers. We can't get another. This has been pulling it all straight. Take a hold of the hand that I'm offering. Spare similar.
Taking the hand that I'm holding. What?
We can't get another. This has been pulling it all straight.
Take a hold of the hand that I'm offering. Okay, alright.
The hand that I'm offering. Spare similar fate to our offspring. We've been living in hate for a long spring. Seen the visions you're making at home spring. We could have been brothers that want us to suffer. We live in the clipping it all way. And we bond like the mothers. We can't get another. This has been pulling it all straight. Take a hold of the hand that I'm offering. Spare similar fate to our offspring. We've been living in hate for a long spring. Seen the visions you're making at home spring.
Yeah, my body. Where I'm moving, you can't get a sorry. My brother was beast, we head to the east and we bring the monsters, let your mind. When I see Ronna's Clash of the Titans, I'm
trying not to get too high off Delta, cause you know he nasty with that auto tune and all that stuff, especially when he starts singing with that stuff. Oh my god, this dude is unstoppable.
I gotta step on the top.
I'm trying not to.
Where I'm moving, you can't get a sorry. My brother was beast, we head to the east and we bring the monsters, let your mind. When I see Ronna's Clash of the Titans, I'm on the neck, gotta step on the tight. Big stab at a pray they hit my vitals. If they ever try to bite me, they don't want war. Falling Titan look like skull and crossbones.
Wait a minute, like I say, when he be hitting that, he hit it now. When he hit it, he hit it. God damn.
Stab at a pray they hit my vitals. If they ever try to bite me, they don't want war. Falling Titan look like skull and crossbones. Maria, I got her on all fours. Start a song, now the smokers at their front door.
Bro, when he hit that sound, and he go low and then a high. Oh, shut up. Wait a minute. I can't help it, man. That he nice with it.
Song, now the smokers at their front door. They on defense. honest. We throw shots like Zeke, yeah. Do you serve in a
We throw shot like Z. Come on, man. The beast titan.
had to get rid of my Levi's, they was knee high, do you feel me? Soon as we found out that they all were feline, I knew we be lying to the city. My people keep dying, so what I'm finna leave behind isn't pretty. I'm finna eat them, put that on my mama. Beat them on chest, that's word of my brother.
I'm gonna eat them, put it on my mama. Ain't that wait when which color? See, it was a lot of stuff going on. That time 8 hit mom, and then the boy 8 month, all that stuff, man. Come on, man.
Behind isn't pretty. I'm finna eat them, put that on my mama. Beat them on chest, that's word of my brother. They couldn't handle them, they think they animals. Take a good look at the king of the jungle. I knock them down, I stand in the rubble. Dig deep, what I want them under 6 feet. Don't get risky, I can turn his vertebrae to a frisbee.
That was nice. Yeah. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You already know, yeah, man. And Sandwich and your boy Death D. That was nice, man. You already know, man. Like I said, Sandwich came with it too nice, and your boy Delta finished it off with the auto tune and all that stuff. So you already know they both killed it. So you already know. Link up down in the description. Look, like, comment, subscribe.